Hi guys, welcome back. So just a really quick video today. It's mainly just to say thank you to Scott over at Cuckoo Cottage, and he's been kind enough to send me a sample of some Supersoil. It's a 100-gram pouch and there's enough here to do an acre of land. You dilute it 1 to 1,000, so a gram should do in a litre of water, and spray it over the ground. So thank you very much for that, Scott, very much appreciated. And if anyone's interested in trying it, I'll leave the link to the website in the description, and also I might do a bit of a giveaway if you just let me know in the comments why you'd like to try Supersoil and how big your garden is, and I'll pick a few at the end and send some out. I am going to be doing a few tests with this, so there will be a few short videos coming up and a few trials with and without, and I have seen a few other people doing them. Steve at Diggle Greenfingers and Terry King at Terry King's Allotment, I know they're using it. I have tried this before and I know it does work. So please head on over to Scott's channel, check him out, and if you're interested, please check out the Supersoil website. Link will be in the description below. Bye for now.